if it's one thing about me, I love to have my receipt. I love to have my proof. I mean, like, I don't mislead people. I don't put out wrong information on my platform. Now, I recently stayed at the Moon Palace Resort and Spa in Ocherios, and I stayed in a presidential suite. I did a vlog on the suite. It's up on my channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can go and check it out. Now, after I did the vlog, someone came after me in the comment section, and this is what the person is saying, as you can read for yourself. Now, as for me, when I come on social media, I don't come on social media for clout or to hype or anything like this. I'm a humble person. I mean, there are so many things that could come and flaunt on social media, but I choose not to. But when you're gonna come at me in my comment section, just know I have my proof. Just know I always have my receipt. So as for this suite, it was actually a double suite. Someone would have been on the right side and someone would have been on the left side. My suite was on the left side, and as for the bigger suite, it come with a living area, it come with a dining area, it come with 2 bedrooms, it come with a bathroom, and it comes with a kitchen area. Now, as for my side of the suite, I have a smaller family, so I stayed on the smaller side of the suite. And the features of my suite that I stayed in, it has 2 closets, it has a living area, and it has a bedroom area. The room also comes with 2 TV, 1 TV in the living area, 1 TV in the bedroom area. As for the bathroom is a huge bathroom. It comes with 2 face basins. It comes with a huge mirror, like about 3 people could use the bathroom at the same time. It comes with a jacuzzi. What else? Guys, I'm going to leave the link for the room in the description so you can go and see it for yourself. So, people, when you're trying to come at me in my comment section, just know I always have my receipt on. I hate when people be like that. I mean, like, people be petty and try to come at people for no reason at all. I don't know who sent that person, but they try to come at me, but it's the wrong person. I mean, name Freestyle. So just know that when you come at me, I always have my receipt. Always have my receipt. That person who tried to come at me, here's the clarification. And for more information, call Moon Palace. And I think it's Black B. I'm not sure if it's Black A or C or whatever it is, but call them and ask them 6th floor, room 37, if it isn't a presidential suite. And here's the receipt. I want to make freestyle. I always have my receipt. And as I said before, I don't do things for clout. I don't do things for hype. I went on a vacation with my family and I did a vlog on the room that I stay. And someone tried to attack me in my comment section. So I just feel like it was only right for me to come out and address the situation. So here you go. Talking done, chatting done. Nothing of chattings. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Actually, we checked in on the 2nd, and there was some misunderstanding, and then on the 3rd we went over to the suite. So make you add information you want, and if you want more information, as I say, call Moon Palace front desk. See everything, just call them. And as for the suite, it was a family that was split in 4. We didn't occupy 1, we didn't occupy 2, we occupied 4 suites. So I don't know, why do people hate? I mean, like, people hate for nothing. People come here for nothing. You see me on YouTube, you don't know me, I don't know you. You don't know my family don't know you. You don't know what I can do or what my family can do and what we can't do. Come on, man, get it together, man, and stop hating people. Freestyle. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check the link below for the video.